It looks good to the refs, so I think it's about time to get started in 3, 2, 1. We begin. 10-5-6-5 lifting their hook off, successfully pushing off the gold mineral with intense speed. 3-9-6-5.
Ooh, and team 10-5-6-5 does not seem to be able to get themselves around the lander. Those legs really do stick out.
3-9-6-5 trying to drop their marker to claim their depot.
And team Twisted Metal barely isn't able to get their marker inside. What a shame. But
3, 2, 1.
As we head into the teleop period, it's good to note that both Blue Alliance teams were able to knock their gold mineral off, which might make up for some points lost.
It's hard to tell, but 10-5-6-5 might have issues. Oh, it looks like they've dropped their marker right in front of the crater while trying to get it out of their holding mechanism. Both the Red Alliance teams, unfortunately, having some sort of issue.
And team 3965 zooming around, trying to corral as many minerals as they can as one of the Red Alliance teams finally manages to get free of technical difficulties.
7776 still stuck, attached to the side of the lander. Not looking good. That's getting quite violent there. 10-5-6-5 working on that blue depot, trying to get more balls in, while team 15-3-6-5 is also trying to get more into the red depot. Neither team has fully claimed their depot, so stealing is definitely an option. 7776 opting to pull themselves up. A chain, as a matter of fact, is hanging off the bottom of their robot.
This might be the reason due to their technical failure.
It looks like there's some parts dropped on the field over near the blue side. Blue is definitely collecting a lot of minerals, though, in that depot.
As 10-5-6-5 manages to play a really good offense game against the Red Alliance as they try to disrupt the enemy depot going into endgame.
A little bit of violence. 10-5-6-5 reversing into the red robot. Whoa!
Whoa.
10-5-6-5 is getting a little bit pushy.
As 10-5-6-5 and 3-9-6-5 try to hang themselves back up, it seems that team 15-36-5 tries to launch themselves into the crater for that last little bit of points.
That being said, it looks like we're just out of time. 10-5-6-5 managing to hang themselves up again. It's hard to tell if 7-7-7-6 is going to get anything for that. I don't think they dropped during that autonomous phase.
I don't believe they technically dropped because they were not unattached from the lander.
And of course, with the end of 23 comes the scores from 22, where Blue came out the victor with 224 points to Red's 19.